know what's happened. I reckon it's smashed now in a bit. Well, at least I know the direction which way to go. I was going actually to go that way and come down in the wind and land. Okay, let's retrieve it. Here. No, wait, was last known position. Maps. Satellite. So I'm here. This must be a little bit on my right. Ooh, there's quite a lot of bushes in there. Let's go. Somewhere down there. Right. My droning day turned to the drone rescue day. Whew. Didn't expect that. Oh, nice breeze here. I don't know if you can still watch me. The drink is warm as a piss. Right, let's take this off actually. So it says it's basically there. Oh my god. Oh my leg is going to be scratched. It's going to fail somewhere else. Let's do a different way. I'm going to take off my DJI FPV, find the exact spot, and then walk to retrieve it. I can hear it pulsing. It's still live. It's somewhere there. I think I'll take the Mavic up, FPV, to pinpoint where it is. I'm going to retrieve my drone. You can hear it pulsing there somewhere. I'm more than halfway from the edge. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go further. Right, we got to the crash site. It's there. Let's get to it. There's a bits everywhere. Proper crash site. There's a wingtip there. Aileron there. Yeah, I got it. Here you are. I don't think you're salvageable anymore. Proper crashed. Dongle. Battery goes in the pocket. Yeah, right. I was hoping it's going to be salvageable, but there's no. Oh. Okay, let's put this lid on at least. Oh, the button's here. Right, that's it. I don't think this will fly again, but electronics maybe I can use. Right, need to get the back somehow. Oh, see the tree there? It's halfway back to the fence. A bit dense as jungle. Okay, let's go.